Welcome, friends. Hey, I'm Vivek Mantri. I'm a master practitioner of NLP and an emotional wellness coach. I'm sure everyone must have seen some or the other ups and downs in their life. So, these ups and downs, whether they are into relationship, whether they are into finance, whether they are in terms of health, don't you think so that they are attached with your emotions? Yes, emotions play a very important role in our life. Whether they are positive emotions or negative emotions, they play an important role. When the emotions are very much positive, you always feel charged. You feel like, wow, I can do this. Whereas when the emotions are into a negative state of mind, they directly affect your immune system. They affect your physiology. You must have seen that when you are feeling low, when your emotions are low, you feel lack of confidence. You are not finding interest in doing the things whichever you want. So it's important that emotions are always into positive state of mind. They are always positive. So how to keep these emotions positive? That's what I train. Working on psychosomatic diseases, anxiety, depression, relationship issues, money problems. This is our core area where emotions are attached. No matter what you do, even if you are lifting a glass of water, you are associating your emotions with it. So why not to work on changing the emotions for betterment of your life? I am a life coach and I work on emotions. So you can contact me on 855-109-9009. Thank you, friends. Have a great emotional wellness. Thank you.